Do you wake up exhausted, feel bloated all the time, or battle brain fog that just won't go away? You might be dealing with a toxic overload, and your body is screaming for help. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living, where all natural remedies is what we're about. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Today I'm revealing the 5 sneaky signs your body is toxic, and 5 powerful, natural remedies to help you detox. No crazy diets or expensive cleanses. Let's dive in. What is toxic overload? Our bodies are incredible detox machines, but in today's world, we're constantly exposed to hidden toxins. Pesticides, plastics, processed foods, polluted air, even the lotions we slather on our skin. Over time, this buildup can overload your liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system, leading to a sluggish, toxic body. 5 signs your body is toxic. 1. Constant fatigue. If you're sleeping well but still feel drained, it might be a toxic liver. Toxins block nutrient absorption, leaving you depleted and wired. 2. Skin issues. Acne, rashes, eczema. Your skin is a detox organ. Breakouts or sudden rashes could mean toxins are escaping through your pores. 3. Bad breath or body odor. When your liver can't keep up, your body finds other ways to release waste, and it's not always pleasant. 4. Brain fog and mood swings. Toxins interfere with neurotransmitters. That mental fog, anxiety, or irritability. It might not just be stress, it could be your body begging for a reset. 5. Bloating and digestive problems. Poor digestion, constipation, or bloating can signal a gut that's inflamed by chemicals and toxins. What you can do naturally. 1. Start your day with lemon water plus ACV. This simple drink kickstarts liver detox and balances pH levels. Just a slice of lemon plus 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar in warm water. 2. Use castor oil packs. Place a castor oil compress on your abdomen 3 times a week. It supports lymphatic drainage and detoxifies the liver naturally. 3. Take Epsom salt baths. Epsom salts pull toxins through the skin and replenish magnesium, which is often depleted when the body's under toxic stress. 4. Eat detoxifying foods. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, garlic, turmeric, and ginger are nature's detox warriors. 5. Swap toxic products. Start with small swaps. Your deodorant, dish soap, even your candles. Every switch reduces your toxic load. Your body is smart. It just needs a little support. Which of these signs have you noticed lately? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to clean up your health and your home, don't forget to subscribe to Home and Haven Living. We've got so much more coming. Thank you for watching.